viral disease. It occurs due to the bite of the infected dog, rabbit, monkey, cat, etc. Virus enter the brain via neuron. Hydrophobia is one of the important symptoms of this disease. In this case, the victim show extreme fear for water. Rabies is fatal disease. However, fatality can be prevented by timely vaccination before onset of symptoms. Symptoms start to appear within 90 to 175 days of dog bite. Symptom of rabies: fever for 2 to 12 weeks, exaggerations in the behavior, hydrophobia. We have learned infectious disease. Now second, acquired disease, non-infectious disease. Disease which do not occur through infection and body contacts are called as non-infectious disease. Such diseases arise in human body itself due to certain reason. First, we will consider the example of cancer. Uncontrolled and abnormal cell growth is called a cancer. Group or lumps of cancerous cell is called a malignant tumor. Cancer can occur in various organs like lungs, mouth, tongue, stomach, breast, uterus, skin, and tissues like blood. Reason: consumption of tobacco, gutka, smoking, alcoholism, lack of fiber content food like fruits and leafy vegetables in the food, excessive consumption of junk food like pizza, burger are some of many possible reasons. Heredity may also be a reason. Symptoms: chronic cough, hoarse voice, difficulty in swallowing, incurable scar and inflammations, lumps in breast, unexplained weight loss. Second is diabetes. The hormone insulin produced in pancreas control the level of the sugar glucose in the blood. If insulin is secreted in low quality or quantity, glucose level cannot be controlled. This disorder is called as diabetes. The symptom which cannot be ignored: frequent urinations at night, increased obesity or weight loss. Reason for diabetes: heredity, obesity, lack of physical exercise, mental stresses. Third one is heart disease. Efficiency of the heart decreases due to decreased blood supply and thereby oxygen and nutrient supply to the heart muscles. Due to this, heart has to perform more work that lead to stress on it. This may cause heart attack. If someone has heart attack, immediate consultations of doctor and treatment is necessary. One should not ignore this symptom: severe chest pain, pain in the shoulder, neck and arm, cramp in the hands and tremors, uneasiness. Reasons of heart attack like smoking, alcoholism, diabetes, hypertension, obesity, lack of physical exercise, hereditary, mental stress, anger and anxiety. Surgery: bypass surgery, angioplasty, heart transplant, installation of stents, installation of pacemaker. These are the some prevention or some treatment for the heart. Use of medicine. Sometimes some people take the medicine without prescription of doctor. Overdoses of medicines may affect our body. X-doses or overdoses of painkillers may damage nervous system, excretory system, liver, etc. Overdoses of antibiotics may lead to nausea, stomach, headache, dysentery, rash, white patches on the tongue, etc. So, do not give advice about medicine or do not take advice about medicine. If you have any problem, you must go to the doctor and take the prescription. Have you ever heard about generic medicines? Or ever heard about the app HealthCat and Jan Samadhan? These apps are made to give medicines which are generic medicines. Poor people do not afford the costly medicine, so these apps are finding same medicines as prescribed by the doctor and and give that medicine to the patient. Generic medicines are also known as general medicine. These are manufactured and distributed without any patent. These medicines are at par in quality with branded medicine. Production of the cost of these medicines is very low due to favor expenses on research as their formula is readily available. Now what is vaccination? Vaccination is important to prevent the infectious disease. Nowadays, corona's vaccinations are not possible because vaccine is not yet produced or research is going on that vaccination. So the coronavirus are infectious virus and vaccination for the corona is very important. So scientists are struggling to fetch out the vaccine for corona. To protect ourselves from the disease, lifestyle is very important. So lifestyle and disease. Lifestyle include the daily routine and the type of food. Nowadays, habits like staying in the bed till the late morning and going to bed late in the night, frequent changes in meals, timing, lacking of physical exercise, consumption of junk food, etc., have been increased. Due to this, such people are getting sick frequently. If frequency of becoming sick is to be lowered, people should follow right lifestyle. It must include sufficient sleep, right food, yogasana, pranayam, and physical exercise. Physical exercise should be also be as per one's own capacity. Yogasana and pranayam are should be performed under the expert supervision. So now we will complete our chapter health and disease. Be healthy and be safe.